JetSet Prosperity welcomes the investor's mindset. This is what investors look for. Systems that are already in place. Residual or recurring income streams. Leadership and a mentorship community. Is this investment scalable, without massive overhead? Is this a product and/or service people already want, aka travel? Investing isn't just about stocks, it's about systems. People today are no longer satisfied, just working for money. They're asking, how can my money work for me while I sleep, travel, or spend time with family? The answer? Leveraged business models like travel entrepreneurship and network marketing. Why is travel a smart business investment? I'm glad you asked. First of all, it is always in demand. Travel is over a $10 trillion global industry. People may skip luxuries, but they rarely skip vacations. A woman once told me, her electric bill was overdue but she would worry about it once she gets back from Jamaica. Enough said. Secondly, the passive income potential. With the right systems in place, affiliate bookings, group trips, or downlines, you can earn residuals long after the work is done. 3. Low overhead, high ROI or return on investment. Starting a travel business often requires minimal startup, especially when partnered with reputable host agencies or MLM structures. Why network marketing makes sense today? Well, let's take a look. It's a people business. Your network becomes your net worth. People buy from those they know, like, and trust, especially when booking something as personal as travel. 2. Built-in mentorship. You don't start alone. The right team provides training, templates, systems, and support. 3. Scalable and flexible. Whether you're building from home, on the road, or full-time, this model scales with your vision. For more information, or to partner with a winning team, go to jetsetprosperity.com or text "I'm in" to 240-501-1010.